got sauce, spilling the juice and party. 20 sub speakers, you're pulling it hard. Music no average song. Yo, what's good guys, how you doing? It's Bad Music Production, and today I'm going to be showing you the most easiest yet the most professional auto-tune settings in FL Studio. With just literally takes a few minutes to set it up, and you're going to sound like this in FL Studio. Check this out. I got sauce, spilling the juice and party. 20 sub speakers, you're pulling it hard. Music no average song. Sub kick drum, believing naughty. Turning the music up, and party, yeah. It's naughty, party, yeah. Turning the music and party, yeah. Free vocal preset, party, yeah. Bad Music Production, you're giving it free. Hey, come on. So before I run you through the settings and give you the free preset which you guys can download in my description, just want to say thank you for all your lovely suggestions that you guys have dropped, as you can see. And I just want you to guys keep dropping. I just want you guys to keep dropping your suggestions for next week. What we're going to drop here, a really exclusive vocal preset. We're also going to start dropping more drum pattern tutorials and free FLP projects. Okay guys, so just before we go into my info, today's video is sponsored by bricksdamane. Now I hope I pronounced the name right. bricksdamane is a producer, and he has produced for loads of big artists such as Drake, Young Thug, Gunna, Lil Baby, and a bunch of other huge artists. He has also been teaching music producers how to sell their beats and how to get their first placement. His results have been incredible. Some of his students have actually received gold plaques. To be honest, he's teaching everything you guys need to know on how to turn your full-time career into music production and quit your 9-to-5 job. The best part is you can actually start from your bedroom. So bricksdamane is actually, there's a link below in my description, you guys can join. He's hosting a free online sessions training where you can advance your music production career and become an actual music producer. So he's giving out loads of advanced tips, and obviously where he's worked with Drake, Gunna, and loads of big artists, some really exclusive information. Actually, I've been checking them out myself and learning a lot as well. So big up bricksdamane for giving out some exclusive information. Now, this doesn't matter if you're just starting off or you're a professional music producer. Best part is you can always advance your skills with the information that bricksdamane is providing to get money from your beats and get actual placements. So yeah, definitely something worth checking out. bricksdamane, thank you for your sponsor on this video. And definitely thank you for all the information you're supplying me with. It's awesome, so big up. And now, yeah, let's just go straight into this. Now, you can download the preset from below for more information. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like, make sure you subscribe, and let me know what vocal preset you guys want to see here next week. Apart from that, let's go straight into this, and let me show you guys how to create this awesome vocals in FL Studio. Hey, what's up guys? So here we are in FL Studio, and as you can see, this is what it sounds like. Let's check it out. Ooh, I got sauce, spilling the juice and party. 20 sub speakers, you're pulling it hard. Music no average song. Now wow, that sounds amazing. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this, literally in few minutes. So we're going to use few effects, and as you can see, I'm gonna sound just like this in a second. Wow. So I'm gonna run you through these settings on the side, and then show you how to do this. So I'm gonna do this all from the beginning here. Really quickly, I'm gonna mute this and add the settings and show you guys. So let's go on here. So to start off with, what we need to do is go to the main channel that we're gonna record on. This could be any channel, and set the red on. Okay, at the bottom, and in this you select it and rename it to main reds. Now I'm using channel 10. You guys can get the preset. Now I'm using 3 stacks. So the first effect that I'm going to use is Autotune artist, and on here, okay, the best Autotune settings is alto and tenor. Now if you got really low male voice, go for low male. So select low male if you've got like a low male, but alto and tenor will sound the best. Now the key of this obviously depends on the beat. my track is like B minor, goes really well. So we select the B minor in there, and you can see I sound like a robot when I speak, but that's the main intentions. The retune speed on here, set it all the way to 0. Humanize, just set it halfway, 50, 47, just halfway anyway, just pop it there, don't worry too much. Flex tune, set it to 4, just 4 or 5, just give it a little bit of flex, and leave everything else as it is. And that gives us this really nice kind of auto-tune effect. Now, the second effect that we're going to add is Sound Godizer. Now, as you guys can see, when I turn it on, it uplifts my voice, gives me the right kind of, just gives me the right frequencies to start off with. So we add Sound Godizer right underneath that. We select the mode A, and we go input, not halfway, not 75%, but in the middle, just like that. That's what we do, and it gives us a really nice kind of starting saturation point. Really, really good. And then another effect, we add Fruity Reverb 2. So Fruity Reverb 2, just like that. Really simple. So if I delete these two over here, okay, we add the Auto-Tune, then we add Sound Godizer, a 75%, just like that, don't even touch it, and then Fruity Reverb 2, just like that, and make sure it's halfway, not all the way, but halfway, just like that. And that's it, we're ready to record. So we press record, play, get ready. Ooh, this is a free vocal preset, yeah. Oh, yeah. Free vocal preset, yeah. And now if we listen to it, this is what it's going to sound like. Let me just turn the reverb off on here, and the auto-tune. And this is what it's going to sound like once you record it. This is a free vocal preset, yeah. Oh, yeah. Free vocal preset, yeah. As you can see, the auto-tune sounds really good and it's really easy. And as you guys can see, it took me a few seconds. Now, if you haven't got Autotune Antares, you can use my link below and get 2 months free of Autotune Antares, guys. 2 months, come on. Big up Autotune for supplying that anyway. So try it out and see how it goes. And then obviously once we record it, guys, we're going to click on here and select any channel you want. Now, I'm going to select channel 11. And this is just going to add this main recording into channel 11. And once we add that to channel 11, we open up channel 11, and we're going to open it up here. So double click inside. As you can see, there's nothing on the main vocals, and all we're going to do is click on a drop down, select Fruity Parametric EQ2, click on the preset and select vocal presence. And this will give us a preset like this. Now, if you can't hit that, you can also get the preset from here, vocal presence. And all you're going to do, ease and ease up, clicking there and easing it up like that. And that's it. Guys, check this out now. This is a free vocal preset, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come on. This is the most easiest way of recording now. I know you're adding the effects to the main channel, but the best thing is you're gonna get real-time feedback. So when you actually sing, you're gonna hear yourself singing as you sing. Now, as you can see, the lows are in there. There's too much lows in my EQ as I speak. That's why we just added post kind of effect and just equalized it and took down the lows, the mids, and just up, saturated it a little bit more. Give us that perfect vocals. So this is perfect, and let's have a quick listen to the track that we've got. Ooh, I got sauce, spilling the juice and party. 20 sub speakers, you're pulling it hard. Music no average, sub, kick, drum, believing naughty. Turning the music up and party, yeah. It's naughty, party, yeah. Aye. Turning the music and party, yeah. Free vocal preset, party, yeah. Pop music production, you're giving it free. Hey, come on.
I love you, Bobby.
Come on, guys. So, hope you guys like that. Subscribe. See you again next week. And drop more comments below on what you want to see. Peace out. Subscribe. Ciao.